Hello guys, I hope you are doing well at home. In today's video, I will be sharing the latest Indigo cabin crew vacancies and date and location. First of all, you open Indigo career page and click on view all jobs and then wait and then scroll down and you can see here is a few all events. You just click on that and just wait for a second and then scroll down and you can see cabin crew. Just you have to click on that and you can see all events are updated in their website. 1 October to 13 October vacancies I already uploaded in my channel. If you want to check that, then click on my channel and see. 14 Kalimpong, 14 Jaipur, 15 Delhi, 15 Hyderabad, 16 Mumbai, 16 Bengaluru, 17 Kolkata, 17 Chennai, 18 Gurgaon, 22 Delhi, 22 Lucknow, 23 Mumbai, 23 Indore, 24 Kolkata, 24 Bengaluru, 25 Delhi, 27 Guwahati, 27 Dehradun, 29 Delhi, 29 Amritsar, 29 Pune, 30 Bagdogra, 31 Kolkata. Thank you for watching this video.